In this video, I want to show you how to set up your Canon TR160 with your PC computer using Wi-Fi. So let's get started. Step number one is to actually connect this printer to the same Wi-Fi network as your PC. So let me show you how it is done on the display over here. We need to go into the settings. So simply press the down arrow to select it and press OK. Then we need to select the first option, LAN settings. Press OK. Select the first option, which is Wi-Fi. Press OK. Go down and select Wi-Fi setup. Then we need to select manual connect. So press the down arrow and OK. It will search for all the different wireless networks that are currently around the printer. Here are all the networks. It's a list, so you can go down and up using these arrows. If you don't see your Wi-Fi network, simply move the printer closer to that Wi-Fi router. This is the network I want to connect. So once it's highlighted, I'll press OK, OK, OK. And now it will say enter password. Press next, so I'll press OK. And now there's a small keyboard that you can use using these arrows to type your password. If your password has numbers, you need to go on the lower left side, select this button over here, press OK, and it will switch to numbers and symbols. So I'll go ahead and type my password. Once the password is typed, you need to go all the way down and select the OK button and press OK. It will start connecting. At the end, you're going to get the confirmation message connected to the wireless router. Great. Press OK. Then on your computer, you don't need to download any drivers. All you have to do is to simply open the file you wish to print. So I'll go over here. So this is a PDF file. And to print it, I'll simply select the print icon. And on the left side over here where you see printers, tap over here. Then go all the way down and select add a printer. Select add device. Your Canon printer will appear, TR160. And you simply have to click on add device. Again, you don't have to download any software to make this work. At the end, you should see ready. Now close this window. We're back over here. Click the small arrow, and if you don't see your Canon printer added to the list, it's not a problem. You simply have to press cancel and simply click again on the icon. The Canon printer will be in the list now. So select it. You have a few details, so how many copies you want. Do you want to print in black and white or color, and other things like that in case you want to print on both sides of the page. Once you're ready and you're satisfied with all the details, you're going to press the print button and the print will be sent to the Canon printer. Okay, perfect. The print is out and this is about it. Now you can also connect this printer directly to the computer without having to connect it to a wireless router. You can connect the printer directly to the computer. To do this, you need to enable Wi-Fi Direct. So let me simply show you how this is done. Since this printer is totally wireless, many people may want to use this feature. So on the printer itself, if we take a look at the screen here, let me go back on the beginning, select the cogwheel, select LAN settings, select Wi-Fi Direct, and now you're going to select advanced mode. Press next, OK, wait a few seconds, OK. And now you're going to get the Wi-Fi Direct name of the printer, go down, and you're going to have the password. So on your PC computer, if you prefer doing it this way, you're going to go into the Wi-Fi settings. You're going to select your printer, your Canon printer, and you're going to type exactly the password that you're seeing on your display, not on my display, on your display. And you'll be able to print the same way you just did. but this time without having to rely on a Wi-Fi router between these two devices. Thanks for watching. If you found my video helpful and you want to get additional ink cartridges or a battery for this printer, check my Amazon links. I have put all the links down below, so it's easier for you to find them out. You also support my channel doing it. Leave a comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.